Hello and welcome to this demo of Pure Storage and K10. I'm just going to show you how to migrate from one cluster to another. So first we see our dev cluster and our lab cluster. And in the lab cluster we have a app running. It's a Go app. It's got some web servers and a SQL database. And we'll see here it is not running on the dev cluster. That namespace doesn't even exist. Watch, we'll see. Get namespace. Yep. Go app not running in dev. Now we'll look at the dashboard in K10, and we'll see we have a policy that is set to back up our Go web app every hour. And we're keeping a certain number of snapshots and a certain number of exported to an S3 target. So we can see here we have some restore points. Been running for a couple days. See, it's going to my S3 target. And now we're looking at the dev cluster. We go to policies. You can see that we have an import policy. This basically says import it and restore it. And we use that secret key to get it to talk to the S3 service. But I'm going to run it now instead of once a week so we can see it. So we'll go back to the dashboard and we see that the import has already happened. So that's restoring the actual objects kind of into Kubernetes. And now we'll see a restore, which is doing the import of the data from the object store. Get a little more information from kubectl if we like. Put this into our cluster and see. Yes, we'll copy that. Sit here. More information. That's just nice. See if we need to. Let you know what's going on. And if we check that new namespace, which has already been created, it wasn't there before. We made it for us. See this restore pod running, which is actually what's copying the data into the PVC. That's a temporary pod. So you can see it's already terminating. So it's not a lot of data, so it does not take long. It's only a 3.5 minute demo. See the PVC is created. So it's copied data into it. The application is starting up. And you can see that web servers can't start, they error out until the SQL server is fully running. So we'll give it a minute to catch up, and we'll just time warp here. There we go, and we can see now it is running. Took about 2.5 minutes, right? So everything's up and happy. SQL server's running, the web servers are running, and that is a quick migration of an application between clusters using K10 and Pure Storage. So follow us on Twitter. That would be awesome. Watch some of our further videos and demos. Thank you very much.